It's going to be so good, especially with the Camp Dog jalapeno sauce. 3 street tacos, glass of OJ. Great way to start out the day. How about some street tacos with taco meat? Put a little scrambled egg mixture here. I love to cook them first and put a little color on them. And I want to add a little extra to my eggs and meat. Camp Dog jalapeno hot sauce is good. Just sprinkle it on everything. I love street tacos. And don't get me wrong, I love a good crispy taco, and that's what we had last night. That's why I have some taco meat left over. But for breakfast, a street taco on corn tortillas, soft ones, it's the deal, Lucille. All right, let's put some of this over here. I'm gonna make the same amount. I don't want anybody crying, saying you left me out. I need more. Favor that taco more. And these are actually all for me. Wife's still asleep. She's not a street taco fan, and that's what these are considered as, street tacos. I'll leave in the description how you can order your Camp Dog. It's really good. Use my code CBCC, like a country boy can cook. They get you 20% off. All their products are really good. He has a whole load of different products that they make. All Louisiana based. Tell Papa Scott I said hello. We're going to do these just like they do at the taco shops. I've got me a boat right here. I'm going to load them up in my boat. And there they are, boys and girls. In all their glory. Double corn tortillas with a little color on them. Gets them a little crispy on the outside, but yet soft. American cheese, because it melts good, and it's my favorite. And for heat, Camp Dog jalapeno sauce. I hope you enjoyed this breakfast tutorial on how to make street tacos. Street tacos the old way. Give me a thumbs up. If it's your first time, please subscribe. Give me a like. Leave me a comment. Have you ever had street tacos? They're on every corner here in Texas. And they're so good. Catch y'all in the next video.